Hello everyone, welcome back to Haptav Language Academy. እዚ Haptav Language Academy ናይ YouTube channel መደብ እዩ። እዚ መደብ እዚ ብፍሉይ ንተዛረብቲ ትግርኛ ዝቐርብ ናይ ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ ትምህርቲ እዩ። ሎሚ common mistakes 3 ብል ሒዘ ቀሪበ ኣለኹ። መጀመርያ ግን subscribe ገሩ፣ like and share፣ ከምኡን ኮመንትኩም ብጣዕሚ ኣገዳሲ እዩ። ኣብቲ ዝተሰርሐ ክግበር ዘለዎ መምሕያሻትን ብሕጂ ክስራሕ ዘለዎን ስለዚ እንፍት ኣብ ናይ ተጠቀምቲ ርእይቶ ኣብ ናይ ተጠቀምቲ ምርጫ ኣቲኻ ትሰርሖ ቪድዮ ዝያዳ ውፅኢት ክኾን ስለዝኽእል ኤርትራትኩም ኣይፈለየኒ። common mistakes 3 common mistakes ካብ ቋንቋ ናብ ቋንቋፈላለዩ ትግርኛ ዝዛረቡ ሰባትን ሂንዱ ዝዛረቡ ሰባትን ወይ ካልእ ቋንቋ ፍሬንች ዝዛረቡ ሰባት ኣብ ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ ወይ ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ ክጥቀሙ ከለዉ ዝገብሮ ጌጋታት በበይኒ እዩ። ምክንያቱ ንገብሮ ጌጋ ብዙሕ ግዜ ብቋንቋና ዝፅሎ እዩ። ክልተ ቋንቋታት ስትራክቸራሊ ኣብቲ ናይ ሰንተንስ ስትራክቸር ንብሎ ኣብ ኣጠቓቕማ ፕሪፖሽን ምስላታትን ኣባህላታትን ልዕሊ ኩሉ ኣብ ቮካብላሪ ኣብ ሓደ ቋንቋ ብሓንቲ ቃል ዝግለጽ ኣብ ሓደ ቋንቋ ብሰለስተ በይኑ ቃል ዝግለጽ። ስለዚ በቲ ናትና ቋንቋ ተጸሊና ቋንቋ ክንዛረብ ከለና ንፈጥሮ ጌጋታት ኣለዎ። ስለዚ ኣነ ዝቐርቦ ዘለኹ ብፍሉይ በብግዚኡ ዘጋጠመኒ እንዳመዝገብኩን ገለገለኻ ካብ መፅሓፍቲ ረኽቦ ስለዝኾነ ብፍሉይ ተዛረብ ትግርኛ ክንገብሮ ንኽእል ጌጋታት ዝብል ዘለኹ። ስለዚ ንሎሚ ሳልሳይ ክፋል ሒዘ ቀሪበ ኣለኹ። ንጀምር። number 1 borrow me $100 borrow me $100 $100 ኣለቅሓኒ ነበር። ሕጂ ብቐጥታ ምስ ትግርኛ ዝተሓዝ ጌጋ እዩ። ምክንያቱ ኣብ ትግርኛ ቦሮው ምልቃሕ እዩ፣ ለንድ ምልቃሕ እዩ። ነታ ምልቃሕ ንብላ ናይ ትግርኛ ቃል ክልተ ናይ እንግሊሽ ቃላት ኣለዋ። ተለቂሕካ ክትወስድ ከለኻን ኣለቂሕካ ክትህብ ከለኻን በበይኑ ቃላት ኣለዎ። ቦሮው ምልቃሕ እዩ። ለንድ ምልቃሕ እዩ ከም ትግርኛ ግን ለንድ ክትህብ ከለኻይ ቦሮው ክትወስድ ከለኻይ። ስለዚ ነቲ ዝህብ ዘሎ ሰብ ንጠቅስ ኢና ዩ borrow me ከለና ጌጋ you lend me $100 ሃበና ከለና I will lend you ክህበካ ከለና ስለዚ I will borrow ተለና ግን ክልቃሕ ማለት እዩ። we don't say you borrow me you lend me I borrow you lend me ትወሃባይ I borrow። ስለዚ borrow ተለቂሕ ምሳሌ lend መሃብ እዩ። እቲ ወሃባይ lend ይብል፣ እቲ ተቐባላይ borrow ይብል። ኣብ ትግርኛ ክልቲአን ምልቃሕን እሱ ከዓ ዓይነት ጌጋ ዝፈጥሮ ማለት እዩ። ኦኬ next ካልኣይ my home is opposite from the bank my home is opposite from the bank ኣብዚ ሕጂ preposition ጌጋ ኣብ ትግርኛ ካብቲ ባንክ ስለንብል ካብ ባንክ በንፃሩ ኣሎ። ካብ ትብል ቃል ምስ from ዝያዳ ስለተኣሰር from ይጥቀም ብዙሕ ሰብ እቲ ቁኑዕ preposition ኣብዛ ምልእቲ ሓሳብ እዚኣ ኣብዛ ስንተንስ እዚኣ ግን my home is opposite to the bank not from the bank to the bank I will pass by your house wait me I will pass by your house wait me ገዛ ሓልፈ ሞ ፅንሓኒ preposition ይብላ ትግርኛ that's why wait me ንብል። እቲ ቁኑዕ ቋንቋ እንግሊሽ ግን I will pass by your house wait for me ትርጉም ኣለዎ። wait me ብዙሕ ሰንስ ኣይህብን እዩ። እዚ ከዓ ብቐጥታ ምስ ትግርኛ ተኣሳሪ እዩ። ራብዓይ I work with Coca-Cola company ምስ Coca-Cola company ይሰርሕ with ምስ ኣብ ብዙሕ ነገራት with ኣብ ናይ ትግርኛ ቋንቋ ምስ ብትብል preposition ለትትካእ ወይ ስለትማሰል ዝፍጠር ጌጋ እዩ። correct I work for Coca company we don't say I work to Coca company I work for Coca-Cola company I prefer water to Coca ካብ Coca ማይ መረፅ I prefer water from Coca from is ትግርኛ influence I prefer water to Coca prefer ተናውሻ ትጥቀመሉ preposition to it 6 ቁርሽ ድሽተ I'm proud by you ባኣኻ this book was written by ንብል ብ እዚኣ ከዓኒ ኣብዛ ስቴትመንት እዚኣ ሚስሊድ ገይራና ማለት እዩ። I'm proud by you ባኣኻ ኩርዐ ንብል ንኽእልና ትግርኛ። ኣብ እንግሊሽ ግን I'm proud of you I'm proud of you. We don't say I'm proud by you. Okay. Next, number 7. Are you related with Haile? Miss Haile zimdina lakum di number. Miss with. Are you related with Haile? Miss Haile zimdina lakum di. With is equivalent to miss. ብዙሕ ነገራት ምስ ትግርኛ ሪኣልና ምስታ ምስ ትብል ትግርኛ with ትብል English ተማሰልቲ እየን። እቲ ቁኑዕ ኣብ ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ ግን are you related to Haile? Not with Haile. To Haile. Number 8. Kurshamonte. I'm satisfied by the food you gave me. በትዝሃብ ካነ ምግቢ ዓጊበ ወይ በትዛቕርብ ካለይ ምግቢ ዓጊበ በቲ ዛቕርብ ካለይ by the food. By the food he provided me. By the food he gave me. I'm satisfied by the food. By ግን ጌጋ ይባላል ቋንቋ እንግሊዝ። እቲ ቁኑዕ ኣባህላ I'm satisfied with the food that he gave me. Satisfied with something, not by something. Number 9. Your book is similar with my book. Clearly, Mr. with. Your book is similar with my book. In English, the correct form or the correct sentence is, or the correct preposition is, your book is similar to my book. Similar to, not similar with. Okay? Number 10. Sit on the desk. Sit on the desk is wrong. We say sit at the desk. Seria, we remember the sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Sit at the desk. We at the table. Nati awala khaywa abzalo seria hoftu zaliha. Barab titawala hoftu ma taykon الذي sit at the desk. Sit at the table, but on the chair. 11. Thanks teacher for learning us. Thanks teacher for learning to us. These have got comments. Thanks teacher for learning to us. Learn and teach. Thanks teacher for teaching us. Learning for teaching us. Teach me. Teaching me. Okay, me here whatever. So teach. Preposition we don't say thanks teacher for teaching to us. To is not necessary. Preposition. Okay. Next, how do you travel? How do you travel? I travel on legs. No, I travel on foot. Or I travel by leg. By leg or by legs. I travel on foot is the right language in English. The field is covered by flowers. The field is covered by flowers. Iti meda بعمبواتات تشافين الله. By بعمبواتات نزبل. تكون أبقى إنجليزي. The field is covered with flowers, not by flowers. With flowers. 14. My car is different than your car. Than بجهدي comparatives كانوا هذا كنا نتكلمونه مستع different بالكاكا بيجا نتكلمولينا different هلاجن we don't say than إنولينا. My car is different from your car, not than your car. Than only when we are comparing. This car is better than this one. This man is taller than that man. كانوا هذا كنا different from كلام different from. أصلت عمشله. I divided the chocolate in 3 parts. بس the diagram giga. I divided something in 3 parts, not in 3 parts, into 3 parts. Okay, I divided the chocolate into 3 parts. Is the right language. 16. He is independent from the company. He is independent. زي سجاتين مالتيو. He is independent from the company. From is wrong. We say he is independent of the company. Independent of, not independent from. Okay. 18. I'm satisfied by my work. I'm satisfied by my marks. Satisfied by is wrong. We say satisfied with. I'm satisfied with my marks. 19. I'm sure about what I'm saying. I'm sure about what I'm saying. Not sure about. Sure about ይሆነ sure of. I'm sure of what I'm saying. ብዛዕባ ዝብሎ ዘለኹ ርግፀኛ እየ ክንብል ብዛዕባ ግን ግዜ about ስለዝኾነት እዚኣ strictly ምስ ትግርኛ ተኣሲራ ትመፅእ common mistake እያ 20 إسراء tie the goat on the tree. Tie the goat on the tree. نتاتل up to إسراء. We don't say on the tree in English. In English we say tie the goat to the tree. Tie the goat to the tree, not on the tree. لأن لما عم تقرأ preposition بزح زبالو common mistakes. داليو كزيو. أبغى common mistakes for. إذا قاعد أقرب. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.